Hello guys, welcome back to everybody. So I'm going to be taking a closer look of you here. So I'm going to again this time. Guys. So there's just one people who joined the room last time. Okay, I already opened this up. Now we're going to open this up, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, let's go open it up in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, red and gold fantasy. Oh my god, a floral later one. Oh my god, it's a Persian fantasy one. Oh my god, wow. Okay, there you go. So, okay, let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, cool. Okay, what is that prize? Oh, I got a BP. Oh my god, I got a beautiful, beautiful BP. Did I got just a dress? Let me see. Oh, no. Okay. It's just a BB. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, guys. Oh my god, I love that one. Nah, it's just a black pearl. But it's just really, really amazing. Yeah. No, okay. What is this? Get away! Hate that. There. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I think you guys like this video. Comment, like, share. I hope this will make you happy, because it didn't make me happy, but it really making me happy. So thank you guys for watching for this video. Please tap that subscribe button, and yeah, it's just that, but I'm really happy because I can buy some other pets. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and say goodbye. Bye-bye.